Bro, we caught something wild. Yeah, we did. We didn't catch him. Nightmare Sands. Wait, guys, 1 sec. Bros, it's time for you to die. Now it's time for you to die. Hello. Okay, guys, they just, like a minute ago, they tried to catch him. Yep. So, you ready? I got a boat, and I'm gonna eat it. I hate all of you. I'm kidding. You guys are the best. Okay, so now they're going to attack. Roll like this. Like goose.